Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to lesson number 2, part number 3, the final part of lesson number 2. After this video, we will begin lesson number 3. Today, we will practice all the Arabic letters, حروف التهجي, that we have learned in previous videos. Before we begin, let's know this. Musta'aliya letters are read with a heavy sound, Mustafila letters are read with a light sound, and Mushtarak letters can be read heavy or light according to the rules. I will pronounce each letter one by one and set a short timer after every letter. During that time, repeat the letter after me and practice its correct pronunciation. Now, let's begin.
ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال ذال ضاء زاء سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو هاء همزة ياء.
This completes lesson number 2. In the next video, we will start lesson number 3, inshallah. To continue learning, subscribe to the channel and stay connected. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.